Gamma AI is revolutionizing how we create presentations. No design skills needed. But should you upgrade from the free plan? And if so, is Plus enough or do you need Pro? Let's break down the value. So the free plan gives you 400 credits to test features and create documents with all basic AI actions, including using credits. You can earn additional credits by referring friends, 200 credits per referral, with free accounts capping at 2,000 credits total. It's perfect for testing, but you'll hit limits quickly. For the Plus plan at $8 to $10 a month, Plus adds essential features like PDF exports, which are crucial if you need to share or print presentations. You get 1,000 credits monthly and roll over up to 2,000 total, and the Gamma's watermark is removed. On paid plans, standard presentations and images don't use credits. Credits only count for advanced AI features. This is ideal if you're creating presentations regularly, but not pushing boundaries. As for the Pro plan, Pro gives you unlimited AI creation credits and access to advanced AI models for $15 to $20 per month. Pro includes everything in Plus, plus advanced AI features, analytics to track engagement, and enhanced customization options. You get access to state of the art models and can generate longer presentations. Pro is tailor made for individuals and teams looking to fully harness Gamma's advanced capabilities. Here's the bottom line: if you're a student or an occasional user, the free plan works fine. Plus, at $10 per month, is ideal for professionals who create presentations regularly and need PDF exports. Pro is ideal for power users who create presentations regularly and need unlimited generation. The deciding factor: how often you create and whether you need advanced analytics and unlimited AI generation. For most users, Plus offers the sweet spot of features and value. But if presentations are central to your work and you're creating multiple decks weekly, Pro's unlimited AI credits will pay for themselves in time saved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.